Pom Pom and Pipe Cleaner holiday crafts. Stay tuned. Hey sitters, welcome back to another video. It's Lydia, thanks for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some holiday crafts that I will be doing with my kiddos this year. A couple of them being Christmas and one being Hanukkah. So let's dive in. So the first craft I'm going to do, I actually have noticed a trend, or I've noticed a lot of people are decorating with pom-poms this year. So I got really inspired to do some pom-pom crafts with the kids. And I picked up some pom-poms from the store, and then I found these in the dollar section at Target, and they're plastic bulbs. And they come in a 6-pack so that I can do it with 6 of my kids. So I got just the round ones, and then I also got the light bulb ones. So I was thinking, and your kids can do whatever they like with these, and however they want to fill them, they can. But I was thinking to make the color light is to put a bunch of different sized pom-poms in the light one. So again, my kids will lead how they want to do it, but for this example, that's what I'm going to do. And then you can also turn this into a learning experience by asking them what color they want and having them pick out the color from the pile. You can ask them what sizes, or you can ask them to count them out. Like I have 10 here, so I'd ask my kids to count out 10 pom-poms. So you can really do a lot with it, and it can be their own. Again, this is such an easy craft, so you just pop off the top here, and you have the kids just stuff them inside. Again, they're plastic, so, or they could glue it on the outside too. This craft is really, like, I like to say it's kid-led, which means the kids get to decide how they want to do it. So there's my red light bulb, and then I just pop this back on. And there we go, we have a red light made from pom-poms. So that's the light bulb one. I also have the bulb, and what I wanted to do, oh, that one goes to that. I just wanted to have them be able to be shaken around in there. So I grabbed the smallest pom-poms. Oh, the smallest pom-poms I could to stuff them in there. Again, the kids can decide what colors. I have multicolor ones, so if they want to do that, they can. But just to put them all in there and shake them around. Oh. And you can pull these pom-poms back out. So if they don't like them, you can have them pull them back out and put a different color in, or if they didn't like what they made, they can redo it. So it's not like you're wasting a bulb to go then do another bulb. They can just pour this one out and put new ones back in. Alrighty. And there is what that one looks like. Every year, when we decorate Christmas trees, we have 3 Christmas trees. We have a Christmas tree for the front room, which is like all of our sentimental ornaments and stuff. We have a tree for the back room, which is a beach theme, so everything about water since we're in Florida. And then we each get our own tree. Each of the kids had their own tree in their room that had their decorations and their ornaments that they made from school and stuff. So that will be added to my tree in my room. Okay, moving on to the next craft is my Christmas tree ornament. This is just a piece of cardboard cut out in the shape of a tree with a pop stick and some string glued to the back of it. I'm going to use green pom-poms today. They can use multicolor. They can use whatever color they want. If they want it to look like it has ornaments on it, they can use that. But I'm going to use the green pom-poms. So I'm going to just put some glue on here, and I'm going to stuff it with pom-poms. The more you stuff with pom-poms, the cuter it looks, and the cardboard will be covered up. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 3 pom-poms. I'll do the 2 here. And then I will do the 3 here. I'll do these two. And then for the very top, I'll do a little yellow one for the star. And then I'm gonna just squish it all down so it stays glued. And that's what it looks like. Now, if I wanted to get fancy, I could put more pom-poms on here that look like lights, whatever I wanted to do with it, but I like mine. I'm just gonna keep it plain. Now, me and my family celebrate both Hanukkah and Christmas, so I wanted to do a Hanukkah craft as well and make a menorah. So this is what a menorah looks like. What you'll need for it is a paper towel roll, a toilet paper roll, pipe cleaners, and brown construction paper. So here is the made one, the created one, and I basically wrapped this and this in brown construction paper, cut this in half for the bottom so this doesn't roll, and then I poked holes. I learned my lesson. Make sure you pencil it out. Make sure you got 9 holes. Yes, there's only 8 days that we light candles for, but the middle candle is the shamash, or in English it's called the helping candle, and that's the candle that you use to light all the other candles. Actually, Hanukkah starts tonight at sundown, so we will be lighting our first candles tonight. But I poked holes in them, and then I put the pipe cleaners in. So to make the candle, I wanted to show you how to do that. So for the fire of the candle, I cut a pipe cleaner in half, a yellow one, and what you do is you just meet it at the top and twist it to make it look like a flame. Whoops. So that's what that one looks like. Now for a normal candle, all you would do is take a normal size pipe cleaner and fold it in half, and then what you would do is go, so I just bent it over like that instead of twisting it. So that's what the normal sized candles would be like. Because I'm going to make the shamash candle, I need to make sure that it's a little bit taller than all the other candles. So I took half of a pipe cleaner. I'm going to fold that in half, and then kind of do the same thing I did with the candle, and I'm going to put it in the middle and fold it down just like that. And you want to make sure that it has enough stability that it is going to stand up once you put it into the toilet paper roll. So I made sure that's all thick, and so that it can stand up correctly. So this is what the shamash will look like once it's in. See how it's just a bit taller than all the other ones. And this is the candle that lights all the other candles during the 8 nights of Hanukkah. So with your kiddos, you can either make it, if you nanny for them, you can do this with them every night. It's really up to you and how often you see them, when you see them. If you are going to do this with your kiddos, make sure you do a little bit of research about why it is celebrated, how they celebrate, and just get some information so that if the kiddos ever ask you a question, you know the answer to it. But you could also look it up on Google if they ask right then and there. So there's my created craft. Here is my Christmas crafts, my ornaments, and my Christmas tree ornament. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciated it. If you guys have any other crafts that you guys like to do with your kiddos, let me know down in the comment section below, because you're not also letting me know and getting ideas, but you're also letting the other babysitters reading the comments get some ideas as well. Make sure you go check out the other holiday videos that I've done before in the playlist. Thanks so much for watching. Happy holidays.